Hello and welcome to this lesson titled Clothes in Afrikaans. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a few clothing items in Afrikaans. In this lesson, we will revise the body, which I covered in a previous lesson. You can check out the link in the description to do the body lesson. The words you need to memorize for this lesson are as follows. Klere, klere, clothes. Kleure, kleure, colors. Klere, clothes, and kleure, colors, sound very similar, especially when people are talking fast. So you'll have to consider the context in which these words are used. Dra, dra, wear. Dra can also mean to carry something. Ek dra 'n tas. I am carrying a suitcase. A hoed, hoed, hat, bril, bril, glasses, sarp, sarp, scarf, das, das, tie, hemp, hemp, shirt, baadjie, baadjie, jacket, handskoene, handskoene, gloves, broek, broek, pants, gordel, gordel, belt. The Afrikaans word gordel is hardly ever used. Afrikaans people usually just use the English word belt. Ek dra 'n belt. I'm wearing a belt. Onderbroek, onderbroek, underpants. Damesbroekie, damesbroekie, panty. Again, the Afrikaans word is hardly ever used. Panty is the commonly used word. Sy dra 'n panty. She is wearing a panty. Kouse, kouse, socks. Skoene, skoene, shoes. Rok, rok, dress. Romp, romp, skirt. Nagklere, nagklere, pajamas. The word pajamas are also commonly used in Afrikaans. Ek dra pajamas. I'm wearing pajamas. Pantoffels, pantoffels, pantoffels. Slippers. For this activity, you need to find the Afrikaans name of the picture that can be found in each sentence. Your knowledge of the body lesson will come in handy here. Ek dra kouse aan my, and then you need to find the Afrikaans word of that picture. Ek dra 'n om my nek. Ek dra 'n op my kop. Ek dra handskoene aan my. Ek dra 'n bril vir my. Let's have a look at your answers. Ek dra kouse aan my voete. Voete. Ek dra 'n das. Das. Om my nek. Ek dra 'n hoed. Hoed op my kop. Ek dra handskoene aan my hande. Hande. Ek dra 'n bril vir my oë. Oë. And now for the English translations. Ek dra kouse aan my voete. I wear socks on my feet. Ek dra 'n das om my nek. I wear a tie around my neck. Ek dra 'n hoed op my kop. I wear a hat on my head. Ek dra handskoene aan my hande. I wear gloves on my hands. Ek dra 'n bril vir my oë. I wear glasses for my eyes. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.